Up next, Greenstrawberry hanger transporter with crew. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another video unboxing. Today we're going to be taking a look at Greenstrawberry's hanger transporter with crew in 1/72nd scale. And as always, we'd like to thank Lucas and Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. This way we can take a look at it and you can see it too. So if you haven't been there, and I'll tell you this every video, go check out Greenstrawberry. Here is their link right here, greenstrawberry.cz. You can check out all their PE, their resin kits, bases, everything they got. And in the last video, I made kind of a mistake saying there is free shipping. No, you have to pay shipping if it's coming to you across seas and stuff like that. But I did email Lucas about that because when you do put a product into the cart before it goes to the shipping, it does say free. So that may have to be changed this way. There's no confusion about free shipping or not. So I'm waiting on a reply from Lucas for that. So I'm sorry about that in the last video. Once I get it all corrected, I will let you know exactly what's going on. But yes, if you do put something in the cart, once you go to pay for it, you'll see your options for shipping in there. So now that that's corrected, let's get over to the bench and check out what we got. And as always, we'll start off with the box, hard cardboard box. It's 1/72nd scale. The kit number is FP07, and it's the hanger transporter with crew, resin hanger accessories. And then you just have the usual warning on the back and Greenstrawberry's URL right there. So let's tear into the box and see what we have. And we'll start off with the instruction sheet. And actually there's two instruction sheets in here. This one shows you the little figures you have, the call out key, and then it goes into building the figures, putting their little arms on this one. And then on the back, it's got your other figure over here. And down here, it shows you all the completed figures. So that's pretty simple on building the figures. And then there is also a photo etch sheet in this kit. So there's a second instruction sheet which shows you up top what's in there, what blocks to cut off of the resin pieces that are in here. Again, you have your call out key, and then going through putting the PE on the pieces itself. And then on the back, actually there's a color code as to what to paint what on this little project right here. As always, Greenstrawberry makes the instructions very simple so you can understand everything they're talking about. Now let's dig into the kit. So there's 5 little guys in this kit, and on this pour stub, here, I'll show you the bottom here. It's very hard with the 1/72nd scale. You have the pour stub at the bottom, and I'm trying to keep this in focus for you. You got your little guy standing up, and his arms are right here on the block. It leaves enough excess over here to cut off so you could take those off and then attach them to his arms. So we got this little guy here. I'll show you the next guys too. This little guy is either sitting down or jumping off something because his legs are on the pour stub, which you would have to put on. And for such a small scale, I know it's very hard to see on camera, but they are nicely detailed for this tiny scale, which kills my eyes. But I really like what Lucas has done and how they put them on the pour stubs to keep each figure together. So you can see, like in the back, hopefully you can see like the little wrinkles in the vest and stuff. You know, that detail's nice in such a small scale. Here's your next guy, and all of them are the same way with the pour stub on the block. His little arm is right back there on the pour stub so you can take it off. And he's in a walking position, or a sitting position I should say, I'm sorry. And you also have, you can see, definitely can see the wrinkles there in his pants from crouching down. He's got a nice little helmet on there. So again, nice detail for the smaller scales. And here's the next one, pour stub. His arms are on the sides. This is, he looks like either an X-Wing or a speeder pilot, because you can see the thing on his chest there. And again, creases in his pants. Nicely done helmet. Again, small scale, but nicely detailed. And the last one actually comes with his lower half, his upper half, and then his 2 arms. Unfortunately, this one, his little arm, his little arm right here broke off, but it broke off in such a place where it actually should be broken off, and you could just take that little stub off. So just be careful, because it is small when you're taking these off, you don't want to lose any detail or anything like that. But nicely done by Lucas and the gang over at Green Strawberry. Again, you can see all the creases and everything over here. Man, these are tiny. So this package isn't like the other Ziploc tops. This is all sealed up with the 2 sleds and the antennas. So let me cut these open and we can take a look. I only took 1 sled out of the package because they're both identical. They both have 4 stubs on the bottom that you'll have to remove. A little bit of flash in the grab handle over there. This is the seating, or it looks like a seating area. Then you got nice detail on the side that you could use washes on. Nice detail on top too. So the little sled is pretty cool. And like I said, 2 of these came in the package. You got a little grab handle up here. And on the same thing on both sides is you got to take a little bit of flash out of there, which is no big deal. It comes out pretty quickly. And the other part, I only took 1 out also because they're identical. This one you're going to want to be really careful with. You can see the small little pieces. They look like antennas that have to be put onto the sled. So these guys are real tiny. So take your time. You don't want these going flying away and the carpet monster getting these guys. So next up, let's take a look at the PE. And last up is the PE sheet, and you have 2 larger sheets that go underneath the sled, and it's got all like the piping and electronics or whatever may be under there to move the sled. So that's pretty cool. And then these look like the grab handles for up top. Nicely detailed. We'll add that extra little bit to the kit itself. But instead of just looking at these, let's take a look at some pictures of this kit. Well, that's it for this Green Strawberry unboxing. Again, thank you, Lucas, for sending it over and letting us check it out so we could show it to everybody out there. Another nice little kit that'll add to your diorama scenes and bring things to life. And if you haven't, like I said at the beginning of the video, please check out greenstrawberry.cz right over here, and you'll find some really good products at excellent prices. And if you have any questions or anything, Lucas is always there to answer. If you email them, they're pretty quick with the responses to let you know what's going on. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please throw them in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And don't forget, we're doing a lot of live streaming, so come over and check those out too. I hope you all have a great day. Take care, and bye-bye.